This video will go over showing you how to add specific products into our Shopify store. You'll first go to shopify.com, it's listed right here, and navigate over to where it says log in. Once you push that log in button, you will be able to put in our store address. After you log in, it will save it like here. And the store address is just as it's shown, pr-by-alyssa.myshopify.com. And when you click on that, it's going to prompt you to enter in the password, which will be in our task document. After you've logged in before, you can save it so it doesn't prompt you to enter in the password, which is how we are now. To add in a product, you're going to navigate over to where it says products. And then I'll move the screen over so you can see a little bit better. Up top, there's a button here that says add product. You'll click on that. Enter in whatever the product title is. So we'll just say we're doing large mystery box. And we're going to scroll down to where it says pricing. You'll enter in the pricing that we're going to enter. So we'll say it's going to be $50. We're always going to put the box that says charge tax on this product. And then where it says cost per item, we always put in $1. It's just something that they require us to put in. You do not have to put anything in for SKU or barcode. Don't worry about that. And down here where it says quantity available, you're going to set it to whatever quantity I say in the task post. For this one, we're going to change it to 10. This is a physical product. We're always going to check that. Do not worry about weight. Don't worry about any of this stuff. You're good to go with that. If there's a product description, you can put it in. And then under media is where we would add in the attached image. So you would just click add file and scroll through and choose the correct image. After you've done all of that, the next thing you're going to do is just push that save button. It's going to take a second for it to load, but then you'll get this message right here where you get the check mark that says added. And that's all you do to add products into our Shopify website.